video. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, baby, so you can be part of the family. So today is Monday, top of the week, top of the morning. It's 8 o'clock. I just came from walking Kizzy, take him to the park and stuff like that so he can have his moment, whatever. It's a beautiful day. It's gorgeous outside. So I'm about to, I don't know why my camera looks, I gotta fix my settings. I don't know what's going on. But I'm about to get up out of these clothes, get in the shower, and get ready for today. I'm gonna get my hair done today. What else? Posting my vlog from last week. This morning, last night, it was just too, my battery died. But like I was saying, yeah, my hair is like, I cannot really get this hair done. Anyway, I don't know why it's doing that. That's so weird. I'm about to get in the shower, like I was saying, post this weekly vlog, Vlogtober week 1, and this will be Vlogtober week 2, the start of Vlogtober week 2. We're gonna be doing some things, some like Halloween festivities this week, so that'll be fun. I don't know when I'm going to the pumpkin patch, but I'm supposed to be doing that as well, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'm just gonna get myself together, do my morning routine and whatnot. I did make red velvet cupcakes last night and hibachi with some zucchini and chicken. 10-10, so good. And y'all, all these things that I made, I'm gonna be putting on my cooking series eventually, so just make sure you stay tuned for that, because that's gonna be lit. Okay, but yeah, y'all, I'm about to do that real quick, and yeah, and get myself together, do some self-care, some maintenance, and yeah, I did my nails. It matched with my toes, super cute. It's giving Spider Girl. So it's giving Halloween though. Nice little French black tip, black Frenchies or whatever. So let me just go get myself together, and then I'll see y'all in the next clip in a second. Hey y'all, so I am dressed. Got my two-piece set on from, I can't even see the back, whatever. This two-piece set on from, what is it called? Zara. And I'm about to head out, go run some errands for today real quick. I may take out with me, maybe not, I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, I might run some errands real quick, get some items, some things that I need. Grocery store as well. I need to go by the hair store, so I'm about to do that real quick. And yeah, so I will see y'all wherever I be. Hey y'all, I'm back home. Give me 1 second. Y'all, Kizzy literally jumped out of his cage. Kizzy jumped out of his cage while I was out running errands. The boy is crazy. Now he crying. Y'all, now he wanna cry. He got the nerve. You got the nerve to be crying? Don't do that. Sit. That's a bad boy. That is a bad boy. I was in Walmart and Trader Joe's. I got some Velveeta macaroni. I love this macaroni with fried chicken. So quick lunch. I don't feel like doing too much. So I feel like making no gourmet meal. I can go to like my regular vibe. Got some tuna, so I'm gonna make some tuna salad. Oh, I think I got the wrong one. Chocolate wafers for my chocolate covered strawberries, my charcuterie board that I'm gonna make this week. Got my caramel drizzle for my frappes and my lattes, you know, the good stuff. Some like on-the-go bars. I love these, are my favorite. I grew up eating these, school, track, everything. So this honey oat, what's in this one? Got broth for the clear Japanese soup that I'm gonna make, like hummus, and some of these because it's one of my favorite little quick snacks, like from growing up, you know, if you're from Miami or or anywhere like that, Broward, Miami, then you know. If you know, you know. Some tortilla chips because I got some dip. Already boiled eggs for like salads when I don't feel like boiling the egg. It's already made. And for like avocado toast, I got 2 avocados, some chicken wings, just so I can have lunch and stuff, even dinner. Some spinach dip. That's what the chips are for. Crackers with charcuterie board. Charcuterie, spicy charcuterie, uncured meat. And some more crackers for the charcuterie board. So let me put all this stuff away. I know y'all telling me unboxing groceries, but a girl gotta eat. You know what I'm saying? So I'm about to do that, eat some lunch, and then I'll check back in with y'all in the next clip. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. Well, it's really 2 days. It's Wednesday. It's currently, I believe, like 9 in the morning. I am heading out. As y'all can see, my hair is still not done. I tried to put some clip-ins in my hair yesterday, but my hair is just, y'all gotta get my hair treated and blowed out. Like, I gotta go to a Dominican. My hair is so like breakage, just it's not dry. It's just in certain parts it's longer than the others. So I just really need to start fresh because my hair is damaged. And it's like I don't want to keep damaging it. So I'm gonna try to find a Dominican that could cut it, blow it out, you know, treat it, all that good stuff, and then I'm gonna get my knotless plaits after that. So we rocking with the bun for a little bit longer or whatever. So that's neither here nor there. Y'all don't care about all that good stuff. It is the next day though. It's Wednesday, and I'm about to head out and run a few quick little errands real quick. I just wanted to come on here and check in with y'all because I was not supposed to get on this camera until my hair was done. I said I ain't gonna keep getting on the camera and looking crazy, like. But this is my channel. I'm really like real with y'all and just open. So it is what it is. So I'm about to get that together, get that figured out and handled. And yeah, just wanted to come in here and say, hey girl, hey. And yeah, let's just get straight into this day. I'll see y'all wherever I be. Tell y'all, so empty in here, but I am about to look for a few items for my client that I have in a few days. I got brushes and stuff. I don't really need none of that stuff, but I'm looking for just a few things real quick. Y'all, excuse my hair. Excuse my hair. Well, they have ingrown hair pads. Should have brought my camera, but let me see what they got going on in here, and then I will talk to you guys when I get back to the house. Hey y'all, I am out again, once again, back at Target. Another vlog in Target. At this point, Target sponsor me. Grab a few things, so just wanted to check in with y'all.
Where I meet you at the $3 area?
Yes. You know, that's my favorite spot. Y'all, I love the $3 spot, $5 spot, whatever it's called, in the front of Target. Just got my camera. Oh, that's cute. Let me put one in there, put it in there. Now they got like, they have these, and I want them. They're so loud in here. Oh my god. I have this one, but I think I want to get this one too. But yeah, this is it. Super cute. Need a new soap. I heard this one's, well, I had this one. I really enjoy this one. This one's my favorite. I don't know. And this one too. This is good for the fall. If you're a fall girly. I don't think I'll ever use that. Olay. I've been seeing a lot of girls get this. So we'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna let this up your pussy like this. Just do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Hey y'all. I just got this little bonnet on. Look like a fucking joke. Hold on. Hold on. Let me get something. You got a big? Where you going? Boo boo. Hi, good boy. Right here. Watch you bark. He's so big and mad. Got this candle from Target. Pumpkin spice cupcake. Smells so good. I got some roses. I got some roses today. Country roses from Trader Joe's. And I got some eucalyptus as well for the shower. So yeah. Got some toothpaste. This is the same brand. It's just, ew, it's blue on it. No, I should just got the black one. Blue. No. Just like that. I'm trying to set up real quick now. Hold on. Yeah, hold on.
I be so sick of you niggas, you're contradicting. I be so bored myself, can you come and fuck me? I feel so ordinary, still make you around me. Treat me like all the right, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts, I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no static with you, you know you my plug. And I can't shake this tab, no. I've been up, baby. Every reminiscing, every other missing you wishing.
Okay, y'all. So I made a chopped cheese. Oh, y'all can't see it. The light is not good right there. Okay. Made a chopped cheese. Yum. I got the recipe from this girl on TikTok. I'll link it down below if y'all want to try it. But I can't wait to eat it. So I will see y'all when I am done. Y'all, it's such a gloomy, rainy day. It's the next day. It's Wednesday, I think. I don't know. But it's so rainy, y'all. But welcome to a new day. I am just doing some laptop work and watching movies.
You look amazing. And it's more erratic these days. Okay.
Thanks, Karen.
Hey guys, it is later on in the day. I've been on the laptop just getting some stuff done and whatnot. Give me some light. I just want to come on here and, you know, chop it up with y'all for a second or whatever. I'm about to make my chocolate covered strawberries, so I'm gonna let y'all watch me do that. And after that, I am going to get back on the laptop and get some more stuff done and then upload these files so I can edit this weekly vlog. I'm gonna do Halloween activities probably tomorrow. Tomorrow is Saturday, so it's Friday. Happy Friday if I did not already say that. And yeah, get some content posted, put my TikTok content out for Vlogtober as well. And yeah, so let's get into it. Happy Friday. I don't know what I'm eating for dinner tonight. I really don't know, but I'm gonna figure it out. Something quick and easy. I don't really feel like thinking about it too much. I had made a chopped cheese the other day. It was so good. It was so good. Like, I did that. But I need to get these chocolate covered strawberries going. Oh, I gotta do my dishes first. I did some earlier, but then I was so hungry I wanted to sit and eat, so I just washed the dishes that I had already finished. Well, that I had one in particular, and then I just left a few more because I just didn't feel like doing it at that very second. But I'm about to just do that real quick first, and then we're gonna get into these chocolate covered strawberries. Hey y'all, so I'm back. I'm filming my TikTok. So I'm about to wash the strawberries. I'm gonna show y'all once I'm like dipping it in and all that good stuff. But other than that, I'm just gonna do this real quick so I can get out of the way, edit it, and post it. So I'm just picking out the strawberries that I want to use, size wise. Trying to get good sizes. I think these are good. I think these are good. Hey y'all, so I put the strawberries in the refrigerator. They're right here. So they're in there marinating. I'm getting a little cold so I could put a layer of drizzle on it. So they're in there for a little while I cook my dinner for tonight. Making some macaroni and fried chicken. So I've been craving it for a while. I really want to get some baked beans to go with it, but I don't have any, so just gonna leave it at that. Mustard in the chicken. If you don't know, then now you know. Mustard in your fried chicken, it makes it so good. I don't know, it just gives it a lot of flavor and crust. It crusts good. So after you season it, add some mustard, stir it around, marinate it. And then do your egg wash and dip it in your flour. Put it in your egg wash again and dip it in your flour again. And then fry it. You'll have the best fried chicken in your life. And that's on carrot. Well, that's my grandma's recipe, so. I know my thing wasn't recording. So should I do here? y'all. Got fried chicken. I put on this little bootleg. So judge me. Got fried chicken. So good, so good. Let me. So good. I would recommend. No cap. Alright. I'm gonna put some of this. I'm gonna toss it in some of this Trader Joe's honey sauce. It's so dark over here. I'm gonna toss it in some of this. Hold on. This is the best. Like, don't need to get me started on this. Put some ranch. Girl. But that chicken is so good. Let me show y'all one more time. Okay, I'll grab it. Hold on. This kizzy will be the type. Oh shit. Hold on, y'all. I'll show y'all the chicken. Hey y'all. I'm about to do some makeup real fast, but I can't talk. Just a photographer just reached out to me.
The mess had the day that Tom met Jerry. Only out of his hole for the cheddar. Whether he knows if the coast is steady. Ready, one eye on the road like Fetty. First encounter, done with the U. Under pursuit, he was only 11. Like getting me, stole with his brethren. They asked him his name and he told them it's Kevin. Bright-eyed copper, most likely his wife he divorced. No more than a fortnight on the force. Young lad undergrad had a life for the law. But he saw something about Kevin. He saw a cold look in his eye while booking his guy like, why I ain't telling? In his mind he indicted the felon. Every day is like hide and seek. If I lock down 2 in the morning, tell me by night why I see 3. Dotting and crossing the I's and T's. I know you couldn't hide from me most of your life, and it's fine by me. If you do time for the rest of your life, no, it's fine by me.
Hey y'all. So I'm done with Brittany. I'm done doing her makeup. She had to hurry up and run out because her interview is running. Well, she's running behind because she woke up late, so she had to be in and out. But I did her makeup. I didn't get the end part. I did get it in the video, so I'll insert it here on the screen somewhere. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. Also follow my makeup page. It's in the description always, in the link below. I mean, in the description box below. I am about to eat. It's almost lunchtime. I might wait just until it's 12 just to eat lunch instead of doing my parfait that I was going to do this morning before she pulled up. As soon as I was making my parfait, she was literally coming through the gate. So I didn't make that, but I'll probably just eat that tomorrow morning. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to edit this vlog. I'm not doing anything today but editing this vlog. So I'm ending this video out here today. I was going to end it out yesterday. I mean, tomorrow. But should I end tomorrow? No, that's really like the start of my week, my new week. But I am going to be doing, I wanted to do the Halloween cookies, but they didn't have them in the store. So I'm going to have to try to look for them again. Once I find them, I'm going to do the Halloween cookies with y'all. I'm also going to do chocolate covered strawberry spooky edition because everybody on my Instagram said to do those. So I'm going to do that. It's probably going to be in the next weekly vlog. I'm sorry, I didn't do no like Halloween festivities in this week. I really wasn't feeling this week. I barely even filmed. For like 2 days out of this week, I didn't even film. So sorry y'all, but next week I got y'all for sure. Just stay tuned. It may not even be in the weekly vlog. It might just be a separate video just strictly doing that. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post, baby, okay? And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.